Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the page fluid. Add the viewport meta and load a mobile-first style sheet so smaller screens get basic styles first. Once done, convert layout containers to flexible systems using CSS Grid or Flexbox with percentages or FR units. This prevents fixed width breakage. Make sure to replace fixed PX widths with max width and relative padding so elements can shrink gracefully. Finally, confirm media queries start at sensible breakpoints based on content, not device names. Now you make components adaptive. Craft breakpoints driven by when content breaks. Common ones include 320, 480, 768, and 1024, but adjust as needed. Once done, swap IMG tags for SRC set and sizes so the browser selects proper resolutions, and add lazy loading for off-screen assets. Make sure each UI piece becomes a modular block with scalable spacing, font size using rems, and touch-friendly hit targets. This ensures cards, nav, and to finish, you must validate. Test at multiple viewport widths, use browser emulators, and verify on real phones and tablets so visual regressions surface. Once complete, confirm interactions. Provide hover fallbacks for touch and ensure keyboard focus states and accessible labels. If things go wrong, start by isolating one component in a minimal test page to reproduce the issue. Then inspect layout shifts and computed styles in DevTools and iterate until the responsive behavior is stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.